Hello, students. All right, today is February 10th, and I'm not here today, so I'm going to give you the directions like this. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go into curriculum or modules in Canvas. Scroll down to today's date, which is February 10th, Tuesday. Click on that. All right, now here's everything that we need to do. So you are going to watch a video first, then you're going to do an assignment, and then if you're done, you can work on these IXLs here. So you will have a quiz tomorrow over dividing fractions, which is what you're working on today. All right, so let's break it down. Number one, click on the video, which is from Khan Academy. You're going to watch this Khan Academy, which is over dividing mixed numbers. After you've watched the entire video, and if you need to watch it again, you most certainly can. Then you're going to go back to today's date in Canvas, which is up here, okay? And then we're going to work on this assignment, dividing fractions. All right, so this assignment is in a Google document that must be uploaded to Canvas. Now, you have a paper copy of this. You will get grades for submitting this on Canvas and having it turned in on paper. So make sure you do both of those things. So directions. Number one, you'll need to enter your answers into the Google document and upload it into Canvas for a grade. And I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Two, you need to show all of your work on the paper that you have and turn it into the basket. Three, you must reduce all fractions or change them into mixed numbers if they need to be. You will get a point for showing your work and a point for getting the correct answer. So you need to do this and this to get a grade. If you only show your work on the paper, then you're not going to get a grade for this, okay? Show your work. If you don't show your work, then you're going to get a 50%, which will hurt your grade. So let me show you how to do this. So you're going to click on Google Document, and you will need to make a copy of this. So go to File, make a copy, rename it your name, okay, and hit OK. Now you have a copy of it. I would go ahead and exit out of this so you don't get confused. All right, so here's an example here of how they did that. First, they had to change this 3 1/2 to an improper fraction, and then divide it, and then here they did keep, change, flip. And then here they changed it into a mixed number. So I'm going to show you how to write this mixed number in Google document. So you're going to go into Insert, down here into Equation. Then you're going to click on where it says Math Properties. It has the square root, parentheses, and a fraction. Click on that, and you want this one right here, A over B. Click on that one, and it will set it up as a fraction first. So I'm going to write 10 1/2 to show you how to do this. So I'm going to hit 1 for my numerator. Oh. 2, and I always have problems with this. So I just use my arrow over to get down to the bottom. 2 for the denominator, and then back for our whole number of 10. Okay, let me show you that one more time. Insert, Equation, Math Operations, A over B. It will give you the fraction first, so 1 and 10 is my whole number. You can do it any way that you like. And 2 is my denominator. Okay? If you cannot figure this out and you would like to submit your answers like this, 10 and 1 over 2, like that, I'm perfectly fine with that. Try this way first. If you can't figure it out, go with this method. I'm okay with that. Just make sure you leave a space in between. Okay, so once you have done all of these problems, and there are 12 of them, then you're going to submit this onto Canvas. This is where you're going to get your grade. I'm not going and I'm not sharing with me. I am submitting it on Canvas. So I'm going to go back to dividing fractions. Up here to submit assignment, I'm going to choose my file. Here it is, open, and then I'm going to hit submit assignment. Okay, and then I'm going to go turn in all of my work that I have shown in the bin, where we'd always turn in work. and my submission has been turned in. So now I'm done. I'm going to go back to today's date, and now I can work on these IXLs, okay? Or maybe do some practice problems because I have a quiz tomorrow. All right, have a great day.